This video will cover the rest of 4-21 notes. So on 20, in the top of 21, we talked about discount and markup, which includes sales tax and tip. So you are either adding or subtracting after you find the amount. So now we're going to combine those things together. So if you look at number 11, we have a watch that's 30% off, and then you are going to add on 8% sales tax. You have to do all of these in separate things. You can't change it to 22% off or anything like that. So start with the discount, move your decimal twice, so 0.30 times 105 gives us $31.50. So that's your discount. So then you need to take 105 minus 31.50, and that gives you 73.50. So that is your sale price. You will not use the 105 again. After you use it at the beginning, you will not use it again. We also won't use the 30% anymore. We're done with that. So when you go to the register with the coupon, it's going to ring up to $73.50, and then you need to add on the 8% sales tax. So move that twice, 0.08 times the $73.50. You need to use your sale price to add the tax onto that. So 8% times $73.50 gives you $5.88. So your final price starts with the $73.50 and you add the $5.88 onto that. So $79.38 is your final answer. So you always find the discount first, use your new sale price to find the tax, and add that on to the sale price. Number 12 is the same, 10% off. So we start with that. 0.10 times 125 is $12.50. So that's how much you're saving. So you're going to take your 125 and subtract $12.50 to get $112.50. So that's your new sale price. So we're done with those two numbers. Now you need to do the sales tax. So move it twice, 0.055 times $112.50. Whatever the sale price is what you use. You get $6.19 for your tax. So $112.50, your sale price, plus $6.19 your tax, is a total of $118.69. Discount first, take it away from the original price. Use the original price to find your sales tax, and your sales tax to the sale price, not the original price. 13 is going to take us quite a few steps. We have a dress and we have a pair of shoes. So we need to find those separately. So the dress, 33% off, 0.33 times 76 gives us $25.08. So 76 minus $25.08 gives us $50.92. Okay, so that's just the dress. I'm going to put that there. Then the shoes, 15% off, 0.15 times 52 gives us $7.80. So that's how much we're saving. So 52 minus $7.80 gives us $44.20. So here's the dress, here's the shoes. We're going to add those together before we do the tax. You could do the tax separately, but that will just take that much longer. So find your subtotal, we call it, where you add all the prices together. So $50.92 plus $44.20 gives us $95.12. You're going to take that times, move it twice, 0.0675. That gives us $6.42. So $95.12 is the total of the clothes and the dress and the shoes on sale plus the $6.42 in tax gives us $101 $1,258.54 for your total bill. So you gotta do each item separately, add the sale prices together, then find the tax of your subtotal. 14, a restaurant adds 20% gratuity, which is just a fancy name for tip. So our bill is $148.25. We want to find the total with the tip. So move it over twice, 20% times $148.25 is $29.65. So then we just need to add $148.25 plus $29.65. $177.90 would be our total bill when you add the tip in. $15, they went out to dinner, $68.89. They had a $10 coupon. So you're going to take $68.89 minus 10, not 10%, just $10, $58.89. Then we need to take 15% of that, so 0.15 times $58.89 gives us $8.83. So the sale price after their coupon, $58.89, plus their tip of $8.83 is $67.72 for their total amount. So again, you need to know if it's a discount or if it's a markup. Take the percent, move the decimal twice, multiply it by your price, either add or subtract depending on which one you need to do.